Hello student, I am Dr. S.L. Munde, Assistant Professor Department of Mathematics 3, RLT College of Science, Akola. Dear student, I think in previous lecture we have seen some minimal problems of a assignment problem. That means that problems were in minimal type. Okay, so in this lecture we will see some maximal type of the problems on assignment problems. That means we can see maximal types of examples on assignment problems. Okay, so how will you identify the given problem is maximal type? Okay, so in previous lecture we have seen if there is a word that is minimum or minimal, so then we can say that given problem is in the form of minimal type. Okay, suppose there is not given any such types of word minimum or minimal, then we can assume that that problem is in the form of minimal type. Okay, so in this lecture we will see the problem is in the form of maximal type. Okay, so how will you identify if the in question suppose there is a maximum such types of word maximum or maximal, then we can say that that problem is of the maximal type of the problem. Okay, so we will see the problem number 5. Solve the following assignment problem to find a maximum expected cell. Here is the word is maximum expected cell. That means we can say that this is the problem of maximal type assignment problem. Okay, and the table is given as, so this is the salesman group A, B, C, D, and this is the area of the salesman where the salesman sells their product. Area number 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the commodities 42, 35, 28, 21, 30, 30 25, 20, 15, 30, 25, 20, and so on. Okay, so this is the problem of the maximum type. Okay, now we will see the solution of this problem. So what is the first step? So write down the given problem is in write down the given problem. The given maximal assignment problem is, so write down this table is as it is. Okay, so now we will check the second step. Now we will check the given problem is balanced type or unbalanced type. Okay, so if the number of rows equal to the number of column are equal, then we can say that that problem is balanced type. Okay, so if you observe here, number of rows 1 2 3 4 and number of columns 1 2 3 4 both are equal, so hence we can say that this problem is a balanced type problem. Okay, but this problem is in the form of maximization. Okay, but this problem is in the form of maximization, so first we have to convert this problem in the form of minimization. Okay, so first we have to convert this problem in the form of minimization by using usual standard formula, that is minimum z equal to minus minimum z. Okay, so using this formula we can multiply each term by minus 1. So minimum z equal to minus maximum z. So this is the maximum type of the problem. So now we will multiply minus 1 to each element in this product. Okay, so minus 42 and so on. Okay, so we will multiply by minus 1 to each element in this table. Okay, now we will turn over the next step. What is the steps? Now we have to make the zero assignment. For that we want in each row at least one zero. Okay, now we will subtract minimum number. We will subtract the minimum number from each row. Okay, that means here we will take minimum number is, that is minus 42. Now we will subtract this minus 42 in first row, then in second column, that is 30 we will subtract, then 30 and then 24. Okay, तर या ठिकाणी आपल्याला जो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर जो आहे प्रत्येक रो मधून, त्या प्रत्येक रो मधून स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर हा तुम्हाला सबट्रॅक्ट करावा लागतो. ओके, तर या ठिकाणी -42 दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. ओके, so if you subtract -42 minus -42, that means 42 will add. Okay, so if you or you can say that in another word, if you add 42 in each element, so you will get the first row. Okay, so instead of subtracting minus 42, or we can say that add 42, add 30, add 30, add 24. Okay, so if you add 42, here is a subtraction means minus 42 you have to add. Okay, if you say the add 42, only 42 you have to add to make this 0. Okay, in simple word we can say that add 42 in each row, in first row, then 30 in second row, in 30 in third row, and 24 in third row. So you will get minus 42 plus 40, that is 0, then 35 plus 42, that is 7, then minus 28 plus 42, that is 14, minus 21 plus 42, that is 21. So this is the simple logic how to find out the first row element. Then second row, if you add 30 to each element of a second row, 30, if you add 30 minus 30 plus 30, that is 0, then minus 25 plus 30, this will become 5, then minus 20 plus 30, so this will become 10, then minus 15 plus 30, this will become 15. Similarly, in third row, if you add 30 minus 30, you will get 0, then 25 minus 30, you will get 5, then minus 20 plus 30, you will get 10, then minus 15 plus 30, you will get 15. So this is the logic how to find out the remaining elements. Here we will add. Okay, add 20 minus 24 plus 20, that is 0, minus 20 plus 24, you will get this 4, then minus 16 plus 24, you will get 8, then minus 12 plus 20, you will get 4, 12. Okay, so in this way we can find out this table. Okay, that means here what we have done here, we have subtract the smallest element from each row. Okay, so we will get, so here we will get minimum at least 1 0 in each row. Okay, but now we want again minimum 1 0 in each column. Okay, so in first column there is a more than 0, so therefore we can skip. In second column there is no 0. Okay, so therefore we will select here smallest element, that is 4, then we will subtract from this column number 2. So then we will get 7 minus 4, that is 3, 5 minus 4, that is 1, 5 minus 4, that is 1, and 4 minus 4, that is 0. Third row we will subtract the smallest element, so that is 8 is the smallest element, we will subtract from this elements. So here 14 minus 8, 6, then 10 minus 8, that is 2, 10 minus 8, that is 2, and 8 minus 8, that is 0. Okay, so in this way final column we will subtract 12. So here you will remain 9, 3, 3, and 0. Okay, so in this way you can find out the this table. Okay, so if you observe in each row and in each column there at least 1 0. Okay, now you are ready to make the 0 assignment on each row and on each column, because there is a at least 1 0 in each row as well as in each column. Okay, so if there is a at least 1 0 in each column and in each row, then you can make the 0 assignment, then you are ready to make the 0 assignment. Okay, now we will take the first row. So there is a only 1 0 at this place, so therefore we can make here 0 assignment and cross the first column. Okay, so if you are making the row 0 assignment, then you have to cross the column. Then go to second row, there is 1 0, but this is already cross, so therefore in second row there is no 0. In third row there is 0, but that is cross, so in third row there is no 0. In fourth row there are 1 2 3 zeros. Okay, so therefore we cannot make here 0 assignment, therefore we will skip this final row. Okay, now we will go to column assignment. So make take first column, there is a 0 but there is a assignment in a first column, therefore we will skip that. In second row there is a 1 0 1 0, so here we can make 0 assignment and cross the this row. ओके, ठीक आहे. या रो मध्ये जेवढे काही समजा 0 येत असतील ते 0 तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी क्रॉस करायचे आहेत. ठीक आहे. ओके. थर्ड कॉलम मध्ये देर इज इन थर्ड कॉलम देर इज नो 0, इन फोर्थ कॉलम देर इज ऑल्सो नो 0. सो देअरफॉर यू कॅनॉट मेक द 0 असाइनमेंट. या ठिकाणी 0 आहे परंतु तो ऑलरेडी क्रॉस झालेला आहे. सो देअरफॉर यू कॅनॉट मेक द 0 असाइनमेंट. If you observe, capital N means number of lines, that is 2, and small n, that is order of matrix, that is 4 by 4. So hence we can say that capital N is not equal to small n, that is the number of line is not equal to order of the matrix. So this table will not give the optimal assignment solution. Okay, now we will go to next steps. So what is the next step? So from this remaining element you have to select the smallest element, that is 1. Then you have to subtract this smallest element from this remaining element and add where the line is double cross and other elements where the single line cross, that element should be remain as it is. ठीक आहे. या ठिकाणी जे स्मॉलेस्ट जे राहिलेले एलिमेंट्स आहेत याच्यामधून जो स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट जो असेल तो तुम्हाला सिलेक्ट करायचा आहे आणि तो सिलेक्ट केलेला स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट हा दॅट इज 1, हा 1 हा राहिलेल्या एलिमेंट्स मधून तुम्हाला सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा आहे. ठीक आहे. ज्या ठिकाणी डबल लाईन क्रॉस झालेली आहे त्या ठिकाणी हा स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट तुम्हाला ऍड करायचा आहे आणि ज्या ठिकाणी सिंगल लाईन क्रॉस आहे त्या ठिकाणी ते एलिमेंट ॲज इट इज राहतील. ओके, सो नाव वी विल select the smallest element, that is 1, then subtract from remaining elements. So here will so this 0 as it is, so this is 3 minus 1, that is 2, here 5, that is 8, here 0 as it is, this is 1 minus 1, that is 0, 2 minus 1, that is 1, then 3 minus 1, that is 2, and this 0 as it is, this is 0, and this is 2 minus 1, that is 1, and this is 3 minus 1, that is 2. And last column here 0, here the double line cross, therefore we can add here 1, here 0 and 0 and 0. So in this way we can write this table. Okay, now if you observe from this table, you can see in each row and in each column there is at least 1 0. Okay, so then you are ready to make the 0 assignment in each row and in each column. Then first we will go to row wise. So there is a 0 at a cell 1 1, so therefore we can make 0 assignment and cross the first column. In second row there is a 0 at a cell C2 2. Okay, here is 0 but this is already cross, so you can make your 0 assignment cross the second column. In third row there is a no 0, in third row there is a 0 but that is already cross. In fourth row there is a 2 0, this 0 and this is 0, so therefore we cannot make here 0 assignment, therefore we will skip these steps. Now we will go to column wise. So in first column there is already 0 assignment, in second column there is already a 0 assignment, in third column there is only 1 0, so therefore we can make 0 assignment and cross this row. In fourth column there is no 0, this is 0 but this is already cross. In fourth column there is no 0. Okay, so therefore we cannot make here a 0 assignment in a fourth column. So again here number of lines, that is n equal to 3, and order of matrix, that is 4. So hence we can say that capital N is not equal to small n, that is the number of line is not equal to order of the matrix. Okay, so therefore again we will turn our next steps. That is, what is next step? So you have to select smallest element, that is 1, you have to subtract from the remaining elements and add where line is double cross, and remaining elements where the single line cross element, that element will be remain as it is. Okay, तर या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला हा 1 हा राहिलेल्या एलिमेंट मध्ये सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा, ज्या ठिकाणी डबल लाईन क्रॉस झालेले आहे त्या ठिकाणी तो तुम्हाला ऍड करायचा आहे आणि ज्या ठिकाणी लाईन सिंगल क्रॉस आहे ते एलिमेंट ॲज इट इज write down. Okay, so here 0 2 this is 4, this is 7, this is 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, this is 2 minus 1, that is 1, here 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 1, that is 1, 0 and 0. Okay, so in this way we can find out the table. And now if you observe from each row and each column there is at least one zero assignment. Okay, so now you are ready to make the zero assignment. Now go to first row wise. So here in first row at a cell 1 1 there is a 0, so therefore we can make here 0 assignment and cross the column. In second row, if you go to second row, there are two zeros, so therefore we can skip this assignment. Okay. In third row there is again two zeros, so therefore we can skip this step. In fourth row there are again two zeros, so therefore we cannot make a zero assignment. Okay. Now we will go to column wise. In first column there is a 1 0 and that already assigned. In second column there are two zero. Okay, there are two zero, so therefore we cannot make here zero assignment. In third column there are already two zero, therefore we cannot make the zero assignment. In fourth column there is only one zero, so therefore we can make here zero assignment and cross the column. Okay, so in this way here we will get the number of line, that is n equal to 2, and order of matrix, that is n equal to 4. Okay, so again you have to go to next step, that is you have to find out the smallest element, and here will be the smallest element is 0. Okay, so if you add and subtract this smallest element from each element, so there will be no effect on this table. Okay, तर या ठिकाणी हा स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट 0च राहणार आहे आणि हा 0 एलिमेंट जो स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट हा कुठल्या राहिलेल्या एलिमेंट मधून मायनस करा किंवा सबट्रॅक्ट मायनस करा किंवा प्लस करा किंवा काहीच फरक पडणार नाही. ओके, पुन्हा तुम्हाला याच स्टेपला इथपर्यंत यावं लागणार आहे. पुन्हा मग तुम्हाला पहिल्या रो मध्ये हा एलिमेंट येणार, हा क्रॉस करावा लागणार आहे आणि शेवटी हा एलिमेंट तुम्हाला क्रॉस करावा लागणार आहे. ठीक आहे, so in this way you can reach up to these steps. Okay, now what is next step? So again go to row wise, again we will repeat the same step of the row wise assignment. So in first row 0 is already assigned. In second row there are two 0. Okay, so now we will select at least two 0 in each row. Okay, so therefore we can select these two zeros. Okay, so we can make here 0 assignment in ascending wise and cross this column. Okay, suppose there are no 1 0, then you can select at least two 0. Okay, in third row there is only 1 0. Okay, there is only 1 0, you can make the 0 assignment and cross this column. In fourth row there is already 0 assigned. So in this way you can make the 0 assignment in this table. So if you observe number of line, that is n equal to 4, and order of matrix, that is n equal to 4, and hence we can say that capital N equal to small n. Okay, so therefore we can find out the assignment of this problem. Okay, so what are the assignment? So salesman A group assigned to first group, and that is the number of person is minus 42. Okay, that is minus 42. Then second group assigned to second area, and number of person is, that is minus 25, and third group assigned to third, and number of person is, that is minus 20, and D group assigned to 12, that is number of person is 20. So this is the problem is in the form of minimum z equal to minus 99, but our actual problem is in the form of maximization. Okay, so again we will transfer, or we will convert this problem in the form of maximization. So but our problem is of maximization, therefore maximum z equal to minus minimum z. So put this value in this, we will get maximum z equal to 99, and hence we can say that the maximum total expected sale is given as maximum z equal to 99. Okay, so this is the complete problem of maximal type of the assignment problem. Okay, So this is the complete problem. You have to read step by step. You have to understand step by step this problem. Then you can easily solve such types of problem. Okay, so this is the first. This is the maximal type problem. Okay, so this is the next problem, that is solve the following assignment problem. So this problem is same as it is above the problem. Okay, so this is the maximum type of the problem. Okay. So solve the following maximum assignment problem. Here what should be the maximum type. Okay. So you have to solve this problem. So I will give you to you for the homework. You can see how this problem is solved by the step by step. Okay. So here we have checked the we have transferred this into minimal in minimization. Then we have make 0 in each row in each column. Okay, so in this way, so here this is the solution of this problem. Okay, so you have to solve this problem for the homework. Okay, so dear student, here we have completed all the points of the transportation problem as well as assignment problem. Okay, so from with this lecture we have completed unit number third, that is transportation problem. Okay, so there is a one parametric linear programming problem. So that problem we will not take, because that problem uh, will you can skip that problem. Okay, so here we have completed unit number third.